we are back at it after a little hiatus. Issue 104. This one, I always say this, it should be fairly easy. Installing some of this filament up through here. Yeah, should be easy. Should be a quick video. Okay, how's everyone doing out there? We got us a Friday when I'm filming this, and sharpen my Kershaw oh so sweet. Let me back this up just a little bit. It's in my way. There we go. There we go. Come on, get out of there. Got some screws. This has been a week, I tell you what. Okay, we got junction box, some lighting filament. Okay, here's what we're doing. This lighting, this filament isn't that good. There's some replacement kits out there, aftermarket. I'm not doing any of that. I'm continuing with what they sent me type of thing. I've already paid for it. I'll be done skis with this one day. Massive ass model, overpriced. Okay, so they provide us with another little tape, which is not that great of tape, but we gotta peel it off. Set this bulb on it. Actually, do it this way. Get these two. We got to butt the two little ends up with the bulb itself. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Let's try putting the filament lines on first. How about that? I'll put the little LED light right up against these. And then roll this tape around it. No matter what we do, it's not going to be very bright. I already know that from the front ropes filaments. So get this, what are they calling this piece? I don't know, junction box. Put it upside down at first, like so. And this guy's gonna hold in the two little lines. Filament ropes, I guess I should say. Oh, my back. You guys ain't even seeing nothing. Let's switch camera angles here. See what we're dealing with here. Go ahead and pull my chair up. Okay, yeah, we can see, sorta. How is this little buster supposed to work? Oh, I had it upside down. I want the little stubby part facing up, apparently. Dude, why is this so hard to do? Just like that. Now, some IP screws. P standing for plastic. was gonna listen to the Lock to Load show tonight, but I don't even know if it's on. It hadn't been on for what, about a month? I don't know. Who knows? Could be missing it. I didn't get an invite or nothing. Whatever. Maybe I'm missing it, maybe I'm not. I don't see no promo vids or nothing for that thing anymore. Of course, promo vids always get taken down anyway, so it's good marketing. Take down your own promo vids for your show. Oh, hey, what's up? There we go. Now we're going to flip this guy over. And oh, I guess this has got to feed down. This little thing go over that. Let me see. Yeah, doesn't really show it, but looks like it goes over that peggy peg. I'm gonna try to pull my ropes, my filaments, best I can. There it is, right to the end. So, what are we screwing this guy into? That. There we go. Well, that's kind of a twist of fate up on there. That ain't working out too well. Really puts the wiring in a bind. Stupid. Another stupid design by Eaglemoss. Just stupid. There we go. I got it flush. NM screw. God, I can't wait to be done with this model. You know, if I wasn't already doing all these vids on YouTube, I would just build it without filming it. But now it's just it's like one of those things. I've been on this for 3 damn years. So we're gonna keep going. That thing is already, like, this screw's already freaking stripped out. Stupid. Head is so huge on it. Big ass screwdriver fits it, maybe. I don't know. Try this one. Yeah. Well, that worked. Alright, now we're just laying that into there. Actually, there's nowhere really, no point in even trying to run this stuff yet, because it won't hold in. Did nothing until we get the other pieces up. But there it is. This will eventually run through here and down to here. Okay. Wow, so fun. 104, done. Boom. Yeah, Coda Boy, I've been saying boom over in here.